Hello, my name is Alex. I'm the CEO of ELOKON, and I'm very excited to present to you our new product innovation, ELOshieldAI. ELOshieldAI is a product that has merged artificial intelligence camera systems solutions for pedestrian detection with ultra-wideband wireless pedestrian and truck-to-truck and zoning detection. What we have done, we have merged two products into one to improve the fail-safeness of pedestrian detection. Pedestrians are today detected on the truck first by our ELOshield product solution, where the ELOshield product solution communicates with a badge that you see here, and the second pedestrian detection is performed by the camera, the AI camera that has algorithms that detect only pedestrians that breach the safety zone of a fork truck. In addition, the ELOshield wireless product is a highly precise indoor location product with which we can prevent fork truck to fork truck collisions, fork truck to AGV collisions, and we enable zoning. Zoning means we reduce the speed of trucks in danger zones or in high traffic zones. So if you want to choose either an AI-based pedestrian safety system or ultra-wideband pedestrian and truck-to-truck and zoning system, or a merged combined solution, call us, email us, we have the solution for you. Thank you very much.